traders, let's talk about small account trading. I started this challenge with just $500 and today I've pulled a 112% gain on a single trade. This is the reality of how to grow a small account when you use predictive price action instead of the rookie tools that wreck most traders. And I'll break down my exact entry, my stop, and my exit on BOXL, BOXL. And I'll show you why VWAP is the rookie cocktail of the day. And I'll walk you through my asymmetric compounding strategy that's taking this small account toward $150,000. If you've been searching for a day trading strategy for small accounts, this is it. The best part of this small account truck challenge is it forces me to trade better. There's no room for sloppy trades. Only solid setups are allowed. If you're trading with a small account and you're tired of all the noise and hype, you're at the right place. This is the Small Account Truck Challenge, where I help day traders like you grow a small $500 account and build it all the way up to a high-end adventure truck using an asymmetric compounding strategy. And we're taking just one trade a day and we're going to reach our goal in less than 4 months. This isn't hype. This is a real strategy, and it is real growth and real freedom. This is where strategy beats emotion. So let me walk you through how I stayed patient and let the setup come to me. Here's BOXL, September 22nd, 2025. Our Discord alert triggered at 4:54 a.m. Mountain Time. And here's why this was on my radar for small account trading. It's a nano float. It had some short interest and it had big volume. And it was holding the daily 200 EMA. At 5:48 a.m., I chased an entry a little bit and entered at $4.72 on this candle, after price had reclaimed the EMAs. But thanks to my predictive Discord levels, I was able to mitigate that risk from chasing by using this Discord level as my stop. Perfect for a $500 small account challenge. At 6:10 a.m., price proved the $5.10 level, so I trailed my stop up to that level. At 7:22, right before the opening bell, we double bounced off of this $5.60 level, so that's where I raised my stop again. As long as price built on each of these Discord levels, I saw a potential for a move all the way up to the $10 range, and so that's where I set my target. This stair-step method carried me all the way to $10, where I locked in profits. All right, friends, time to have some fun with the rookie cocktail. Today's special, VWAP Vodka Soda. Look at BOXL with just the VWAP on it. BOXL rips straight to $6 before VWAP even blinks. You just missed the first explosive move. Then the rule flips. Buy the pullbacks to the VWAP. Except price never comes back to the VWAP. VWAP is miles away, while BOXL runs all the way up to $10. So you're just sitting there sober at the bar, waiting for a drink that never comes. During the chop around 6:30 a.m. to 7:20 a.m., VWAP is useless. There's no buy signal, no sell signal, and no stop, no target. Just a purple line floating in the middle of nowhere. By the time BOXL ripped to $10, VWAP was still chilling back at $6.34. What are you supposed to do with that? Wait for price to collapse? That's not trading. That's hopium. VWAP is a flat soda. It fizzes for a second and then it dies. My Discord institutional levels gave me precise stops and targets and entries to grow this small account. VWAP, it gave me nothing. Here's what blew me away when I first built this method, and it still shocks new traders when they see it. Price respects these levels. You can map them out days in advance before the move happens. That's the power of predictive strategy. My Discord levels were drawn long before BOXL ever made its run, and look what happened. $5.10, $5.60, $10, every one of those levels became support or resistance in real time. Most traders think the market is random, but it's not. With the right levels, you don't just react to price, you anticipate it. That's why I call this predictive price action. It gives you the confidence to define your stop before you even enter the trade. And you can manage your risk with the lowest possible risk levels, and you can do it with precision and know when to step off the train before the trend is over. That's what allows me and my students to take a small account and grow it, trade by trade with consistency. Did you know VWAP wasn't even built for retail traders? It was designed for institutions to measure whether they got filled near the average price of the day. It's a benchmark tool, not a day trading strategy for small accounts. Yet rookies drink it like gospel, and it's wrecking them. I know a lot of you who are watching have scars from the VWAP. You were told, just buy above VWAP. You did everything that they said, and you still lost money. And every loss chipped away at your belief that trading could work for you. Now hear me, you are not the problem. These tools are the problem. You were sold a broken shortcut. With structure, risk management, and the truth about price action, you can grow a small account without wrecking your confidence. So what key takeaways can we take? Small account trading only works with strict stops and clear levels. Even a chase entry can be successful if you manage risk with predictive levels. VWAP offers no stops, no targets, and no edge. It's a flat soda rookie cocktail. Discord institutional levels and asymmetric compounding let me grow a $500 account towards $150,000 one trade at a time. So let's see how our truck fund is doing. Starting balance today was $87,247.22. With our BOXL profit today of $1,430.88, our new balance is $88,678.10. We're climbing toward that $150,000 scoreboard so we can drive that truck off the lot. Remember, this isn't about lifestyle flexing. This truck is just a scoreboard. It's proof that a $500 account can grow with one disciplined trade at a time. If you're serious about small account trading and want to grow beyond the rookie cocktails, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell notification icon. Every upload in this $500 small account truck challenge is loaded with lessons that you won't hear anywhere else. And you don't want to miss what's coming up tomorrow. So guys, if you're serious about leveling up your trading game and finally achieving a 95% win rate on your trades, join us today at MomentumStockTraders.com. And here's what you're going to get when you join us. Every day you get full trade guidance on every trade that we take. I walk you through every trade step by step. You get the custom scanners and charting tools. These are the same ones that I use to be able to identify every setup before they make the big move. You get full access to our private Discord channel, and this is where the action happens. You get the AI-assisted alerts so that you're never left second guessing when things are really heating up. You get the institutional levels, and these are the real levels. These are not the retail levels. These are the levels the institutions position their trades, and these are the levels that move the market. You'll get the full trade breakdowns every day so that you'll know exactly why things worked out the way they did. But the best part is you're going to get personal one-on-one mentoring from me personally, and you'll get access to an amazing, fantastic community of serious day traders. This program is for anyone who's serious about fixing problems like profits too small or losses too big. And if you lack consistency in your win rate, this is the right place for you because we solve all of those problems for you. But this is not a copy my trade service. It's real education, real guidance, and a real platform to grow your skills, your profitability, and your edge. And here's the brutal fact about trade copying services. If you're trade copying, you're simply copying somebody else's click. That's emotion. That's not strategy. And here's the thing, guys. You're already late to the game. You've increased your risk, you've reduced your profits, and that fuels panic. Our edge? Real insider chart information that fuels action, not reaction, and profit, not panic. The members inside of our community are crushing it every single day. So if you're ready to stop second-guessing yourself and trade with real clarity, head over to MomentumStockTraders.com and join us today. And thanks so much for hanging out with me for a few minutes today. I hope this video was helpful to you. And remember, trade focused, trade patient, trade smart, and let's grow those small accounts together and I'll see you in the next video.